Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2025 speaking topic. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person's house or apartment that you think is very good. You should say who this person is, what the house or apartment is like, how often you visit there, and explain why you think it's very good. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, I have visited a number of houses, both small and big, including my friend's home, colleague's bungalow, or my relative's place. And today, I would like to speak about my uncle's residence, which I think is very good and is a perfect blend of luxury and comfort. So, residence means house, blend means mix or combination. So, now let's take a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you are stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order it now on Amazon. Link is shared in the description. Now let's continue with the cue card. Furthermore, it is located in the countryside area amidst the tranquil backdrop of Mother Nature, away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and it is a two-story house with bedrooms, kitchen, and living room on the upper floor, while the lower floor features a gym and a recreation center. So, tranquil means peaceful. Away from the hustle and bustle means away from the busyness of city life, and it's an idiom. Additionally, it is fully equipped with the latest technological facilities, including smart security gates as well as smart locks to ensure complete safety in the remote area. So, remote area means a less populated area. I usually visit his house during the weekend as it provides me ample amount of time to rejuvenate my mind as well as de-stress myself after a long hectic week of work and study. So ample means enough, rejuvenate means refresh, hectic means busy. Moving further, it is a moderate sized yet spacious home which provides the perfect combination of comfort, peace as well as luxury. Finally, I believe it is the perfect house as it gives me the opportunity to reside in clean and green surroundings, maintaining harmony with the environment, while at the same time remaining updated with recent developments and not missing out on the convenience factor. So, opportunity means chance, reside means stay, maintain harmony means to maintain peace. Thank you for your time, everyone.